Let's first recall how regular
His fourth marriage lasted until the end of his life. When he was 30, he married a 16-year-old after a pregnancy scare. When he was 30, he married a 16-year-old after a pregnancy scare. Chaplin invented the casting couch. When Ray became pregnant, Chaplin married her to avoid jail time. When Gray became pregnant, Chaplin married her to avoid jail time. He met Lita Gray when she was 6 and seduced her when she was 15. By Lita Gray's own account, Chaplin met her, his eventual second wife, when she was just 6 and put her in his movies when she was 12. When she screen tested for the gold rush in 1924, he allegedly told her, "When the time and place are right, we're going to make love." Weeks later, the time was apparently right, at least for Chaplin. They consummated their relationship in the steam room of his Beverly Hills mansion, and she, like Harris before her, became pregnant. Chaplin was 35 at the time, while Gray was just 15. Charlie Chaplin slept with an estimated 2,000 women in his lifetime. Some estimates claim that Chaplin slept with over 2,000 women in his lifetime, which he alleged was a result of severe abandonment issues developed from his upbringing. Chaplin's father left his impoverished family when Chaplin was just a boy, and his mother had sold her body to support them. Due to her lifestyle, she had contracted syphilis, which caused her mental illness and dementia. Of his family, Chaplin once said, "To gauge the morals of our family by commonplace standards would be as erroneous as putting a thermometer in boiling water." His upbringing no doubt influenced the success and failure of his future relationships. He transported actress Joan for immoral purposes. In 1936, Charlie married actress Paulette Goddard. 1 year before their 7-year marriage ended, Chaplin met starlet Joan in New York. The two started a tryst almost immediately. He was 52 and she was 21. Chaplin invited her to Los Angeles and paid for her ticket. According to FBI documents, Chaplin made Barry available to other individuals for immoral purposes, which was in violation of the Mann Act, a law which prohibits the transportation of women across state lines for purposes of debauchery. Chaplin was eventually exonerated for his actions.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.